Hello everyone, you are watching Master Mechanic YouTube channel. In this video we learn about the safety in automotive workshop. Objectives, introduction for safety, duty towards safety, basics of safe working, safety in automotive workshops. Introduction, danger is hidden everywhere in our workplace. Many people get injured while working in workshop. Usually accidents happen due to non-judgment of severity or risk of the hazard. Ignoring the precautions and safety points. Think safety before start. It is very important for us to work in good health and with no accidents. Most of the accidents are preventable with safe working habits. Duty towards safety. Employers have a duty to minimize the risk of injury, ensure the safety, maintenance of equipment, provide training supervision to keep employees safe. Employees have a duty to follow the safety guidelines. Take care for their health and safety at work. There are two main causes of unsafe workplace. Physical causes. This includes unsafe environment of workshop. For example, improper management of machinery and devices. Human causes. This includes unsafe behavior of individual. For example, lack of knowledge or skills. Basics of safe working. An effective method to create a safe workplace is the danger anticipation, either to predict the hazard and severity of the risk. For danger anticipation, it is important to have the knowledge to operate safely. Safe working can be achieved only when everyone understands the set of rules, and an environment is created where those rules are observed. Rules are precautions to ensure safety. They give information on the minimum level of required safe behavior. Make sure that you always understand and observe them. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all.